Well, welcome to JC Stocks and Markets Podcast for April 2nd, 2026. We're going a little early this week just because it's Easter Sunday. I am JC. I've been investing in stock market for 40 plus years. Every other week, I publish a new idea on YouTube regarding new stocks or ETFs that I research. My intentions with the podcast are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. I'm only trying to help us both make a buck. I'm not doing this for money from anyone. I don't care. The opinions shared here are my own, and they're just that, opinions. Disclaimer, do your due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. The ETF that I'm featuring today on JC Stocks and Markets Podcast is the First Trust Buy Right Income ETF. The ticker symbol is FTHI. It has assets of a little over $2 billion. Expense ratio is a little high at 0.76%. Dividend yield is around 9%. It pays out monthly. And the 52-week range is pretty narrow, between $19 and $24. On this slide, I want to describe the First Trust Buy Right Income ETF. This is right out of their website. The investment objective and strategy is the important part of this one. The fund's primary investment objective is to provide current income. They do that via covered calls on the holdings they have. The fund's secondary investment objective is to provide capital appreciation. The fund will pursue its objectives by investing in equity securities and listed on U.S. exchanges, and really it's mostly U.S. stocks. Utilizing an option strategy, they sell covered call options on the S&P 500 index, and under normal condition, the fund invests primarily in equity securities and listed on U.S. exchanges on all market capitalizations. The fund will also employ an option strategy, which will write covered call options to seek additional cash flow in the form of premiums on the options that may be distributed to shareholders on a monthly basis. That's basically what they do, is they sell the covered calls and pull in the income from that. The premium is the income received by the investor who sells an option contract to another party. The market value of the option strategy may be up to 20% of the fund's overall net asset value. Pretty much the same as many of these, but you'll see they've got a little different holdings. And if you want to look at FTHI, take a look at their full website and all their holdings. It's pretty interesting. It's a little different than just an S&P 500 covered call ETF that I've featured before, so a couple of them. Next slide I'm showing you is kind of it's just a snap of some of the holdings, and this is the one thing I find interesting. Top security that they hold is Apple, about 6%, and then Nvidia, like most everyone else. But then go down and look at these: J.P. Morgan, Costco, Bank of America, Berkshire Hathaway, Amazon, Microsoft, J&J, Broadcom, Alphabet, Lind PLC. That's a good one too. It's more diversified with the top holdings than the S&P buy right covered calls. That's the interesting thing about it, which I thought I'd feature it just because of that. I don't have any holdings in this, but boy, I sure would look at it if I had some dry powder. Next slide here is the dividend history. It's pretty much the same. It's been going up for some time. 17.7 cents per month, and it's gone up from early in 25 from 16.3 to 17.7. So it tends to go up a little bit every year, and it has gone down in the past, but I do like this one. It doesn't pay as much as some of the others, like the SPYI or the JEPI is not. It doesn't pay as much as that, but it has a different. Composition of stocks in the portfolio. I kind of like it because it's a little more diversified. Last slide on FTHI is really a 3-month chart. I don't have a whole lot of opinion on this one. It's basically in the range with the movement in the stock market because of the Iran war. All of these ETFs have been all over the map. Right now, it looks like it's in the middle of the Bollinger Bands, and Yeah, it looks like he's heading towards actually being overbought, if you can believe that. Anyway, FTHI, it might be something to look at if you're looking for a little more diversity in, say, a higher paying covered call income ETF. Their website is really good. Take a look at it. That would be my opinion, or at least my advice to you, if you had any interest at all in this. And that way you can see what it's all about and really what the strategy is and the holdings they have, all the holdings. With that, thank you for listening to JC Stocks and Markets podcast. Have a happy Easter. I hope you're all blessed. I believe that we're all blessed in some way. With that, happy investing. The intro and outro song is a song that I wrote. It was performed by a band I used to play with. The band is called Just One Goat. The name of the song is She's the One. Has a lot of meaning. Anyway, happy investing. See you. Bye now. 2 weeks from now. Bye now.
A loving purely physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah. Really is a crime. I've wasted all this time.